Hey, I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. When starting a siding replacement project, there's two common materials to consider: vinyl and fiber cement. Let's compare these because one costs twice as much as the other. Let's start with vinyl, because that's the one most homes around here are wearing. It never needs painted, and the premium material holds up its color and takes our Midwest winters without cracking or fading. This is not the thin, brittle siding from the 90s. It's significantly upgraded, but still a less expensive option. Fiber cement is the go-to material if you prefer the look of a classic Tudor-style home. It is also heavyweight, dense, fireproof, and you can paint it any color you want. That paintability is a great feature, but it's also a hidden cost because the paint doesn't last forever. Fiber cement needs repainted every 10 to 15 years. It costs more to install since all that weight makes it slower to put up on the house. So where does that leave you? For most homes here, premium vinyl is the stronger long-term value. It looks right, it lasts, and you never pick up a paintbrush. Fiber cement earns its price when you want the look only it can give you, and you've planned to handle the upkeep. In the end, it's less about which one's better and more about which one fits your home. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.